Hello, can you hear me? Dr. Rahul? Hello?
Hello.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Am I clear? Okay, thank you, guys. So, good evening and welcome to Pradiknya. My name is Dr. Shyam Mohan. Today we are having something special because this is a second round of our cosmetology program, and this is an advanced session for cosmetology program. So, I welcome all of you for this introductory session. So, we just move on with today's program. So, as you know, this is the introductory session for our new or advanced cosmetology. We'll be having aromatherapy, standard operating protocols, procedures, and product making in cosmetology and trichology in Ayurveda. So, we'll be having a wonderful session by three of our, teachers who have already taken classes in cosmetology before for Pradiknya. We have the courses. I'll just give you a few points before I call upon the teachers to introduce their topics itself. This is this is the previous session that we had on cosmetology, and we had Dr. Madhu, Dr. Amala Jyoti, and Dr. Vinayak having classes in that topic. This is our second program that we had, Kerala Panchakarma, as you all know. This is still going on, only 2 or 3 classes left. And the cosmetology, the one I just showed you before was our first program. This on the screen right now is our Agnikarma procedure program by Dr. Alex. And this was our third program. And Uttaravasti program that just, we are going to finish by tomorrow. And that is our fourth program. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is our fifth program, and we have had a wonderful barrage of feedbacks from our participants. Thanks to all of you for your support. Thanks to each and every one of you for sharing the news about Pradiknya and our activities. If you just give me 1 second. Yeah, very sorry about that. So let's continue. These are a few of the feedbacks that we got from our participants in our program. So I thank all of the people who had given us the feedbacks, positive feedbacks. So yeah, again, some more feedbacks. I hope this will, yeah. Okay, so right now, let me just call upon our first teacher who will be taking class for us in this advanced cosmetology, Dr. Madhu Chawla. And let me give you a brief introduction of Dr. Madhu before I hand it over to her. Dr. Madhu Chawla is the owner of Ayurveda brand, Ayurveda Private Limited, Panchakarma and multi-specialty clinic. BAMS from, she had done her BAMS from Podar Medical College. She's an entrepreneur, manufacturer of Ayurvedic products. Ayurveda is an ISO and GMP certified company into products manufacturing since 4 years. Arranged workshops at Saptashringi College, Nasik, Osmanabad, Government Ayurveda College, and many more institutions. Over 90 plus offline workshops and 60 plus online workshops for basic and advanced product making. In and Panchakarma OPD at Ullasanagar, owner of Ayurveda Health Cafe, authentic and modern, fully equipped cosmetology, laser setup at OPD, master in permanent makeup, micropigmentation procedures, trainer at Mumbai Soapers Meet, specialized as a cosmetologist, trichologist, skin esthetician, clinical dietitian, and DMP. So over to you, Dr. Madhu. Wonderful to see you today. Thank you. Over to you.
Okay, good evening. Sir, am I clearly audible and visible? Yes, okay. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Dr. Madhu Chawla. Thank you for the introduction, sir. First of all, I would like to thank Pratigya team for arranging this advanced session. We have done wonderfully the basics of cosmetology and trichology. So we are moving towards the cosmetology, trichology advanced sessions now. So what exactly we'll be doing in the advanced session? So basically, we have introduced here aromatherapy. That is the highlight from our side, aromatherapy. You might be adding some essential oils into your products or into your practice. Not only in the products, if you're having your panchakarma setups also. So many of you might be using essential oils just for relaxation purpose. But how to use essential oils in your Cosmo and Tricho practice? Along with that, in product making, how many drops ideally you should add of the essential oils? We are having n number of sources of the things, the natural things. But how to use it, how to formulate the blends of essential oil is very important. And most important, how to use that in either of your products or into your practice. Not necessary in Cosmo or Tricho itself. You can use it in your Panchakarma setups also for Shirodhara purpose, to prepare massage oil. In n number of things, you can use the aromatherapy. It's a very running branch. Again, people are willing for these kind of therapies in everyday life. And the next, we will be dealing with the exotic range of the products. You might be have learned the basic products like soap making, cream making. You might be now masters in that. So we are moving towards the exotic products further. Exotic products, I will be making emulsified masks. We'll be dealing with the facial bombs, bath bombs. These are the very exotic range. So if you are a brand developer, obviously sir will be taking the session of FDA as well. So you will come to know about some of the ideas how to develop a brand as well. So if you are a brand developer or you are the manufacturer of the product, you can add on these exotic range into your brands and you can enhance your sales. So these are the advanced things that we'll be covering up into our advanced session. I hope to see you all in the advanced session. It's not the end, like we are doing post graduation after completion of the basic courses, because cosmetology and trichology is a branch in which we are every day having some new technologies. Every day we are having some new kind of products. So we'll be in a touch with each and everything further also. Thank you, Pratigya team.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Madhu. Thank you for that. She is traveling, but she still joined us. Thanks again for that, Dr. Madhu. And Dr. Rahul is posting, a few links in the chat. So if you have any interest to know more about this class, Advanced Cosmetology, you can join. You can click that and join the WhatsApp group if you are interested. Please do tell your friends also about this course that we are having, and please do help us reach more people. So let me go to the next teacher. One second. Yeah. So let me go to the next person who will be taking the class. It will be Dr. Amala Jodi, again, one of our teachers in the previous session that we had. So Dr. Amala Jodi, before I hand it over to her, let me again give a brief introduction of Dr. Amala Jodi. Dr. Amala Jodi, MD, Chief Physician and Board of Advisory, Heal with Food, Bangalore, Chief Physician, Ayurjyoti Clinic, Trivandrum, did a BMS from Amartya School of Ayurveda and MD from SDM College of Ayurveda, Hassan, former Assistant Professor in the Department of Agada Tantra, SDMCA, Udupi, part of teaching team in cosmetology certificate course conducted by Cosmetology OPD SDMCA, Udupi, also worked as a consultant in Cochin Ayurveda, Cochin Aryavaidya Trivandrum, and consultant in Cochin, Ayurveda Trivandrum. Yeah, comprehensive exposure in skin OPD at SDM College of Ayurveda, Hassan, consultant in cosmetology OPD at SDM College of Ayurveda, Udupi, resource person in various workshops, CMEs and health awareness programs, published 5 articles and presented around 15 papers in national and international seminars, participated in 11 national, 6 international seminars, and several other academic and career-oriented CMEs and workshops. So let me call upon Dr. Amala Jodi for her introduction. So please, again, I have to tell you that, Dr. Rahul is posting links in the chat box. If you are interested to know more about this course, please do click that and you will be added to that WhatsApp group and you will get to know more. Over to you, Dr. Amala Jodi. Please introduce your topic.
Thank you, Dr. Shyam. So good evening, everyone. Welcome you all for this advanced course. So as Sir correctly told, we have finished the basic course successfully. And it was very much nice to see almost all the participants have started preparing their own products. So now that you have covered the basics, you have the confidence to start off with your own products. We should always push yourself forward. You should start learning more and more so that, there is never a standstill in your career, be it in the cosmetic field, because it is always emerging. As Madhu ma'am correctly said, every other day there is a new technology and there is a new product. And cosmetology, trichology, and aesthetics is one branch which is never going to fade off because people are always very much conscious on their beauty. So here, most of you who have tried out with the soap, they will know that there are certain complaints like sweating of the soap is there. It is getting a little bit soft very soon. So this is something which people always ask, what can we do for that? So for that, we have to switch ourselves to the preparation of cold process soap. So cold process soap is a bit of a difficult thing for the initial basics, but it can be done. So we'll be dealing how to use how to make the cold process soaps in different forms, different designs and all that, which will actually make it a very attractive cosmetic product that you can sell. The next one is, almost everyone is complaining of dark circles, under eye problems. So it is a huge market. So we are having a list of gel, serums, creams, etc., which is going to take care of all these all the complaints that you are having related to your eyes. So that will be something. Then we have lots of serums, because most of the trending cosmetic product, as an exotic cosmetic product, would be a serum. So you have serums for almost everything, but there is separate serums for your hair, for your face, for your other part of the body. We'll be understanding the basics of it and trying to formulate different serums, also customizing it, how the customizations can be done for your patients and for your other healthy customers as well. Next, one more important thing is body wraps and polish. So I think last basics, Madhu ma'am would have dealt the bridal packages. So there you can actually have the sessions on body wraps. You can include these in the sessions, which will in your bridal packages or in other normal cosmetology practices, which is going to help you out a little bit more avenue as well as revenue in your clinical practice. Cosmetology and trichology does not end. Always aesthetics is important. So aesthetic wise, we have body sculpting, which is coming. So we have had diet, obesity management diet, which was dealt in the basics. But here we are going to have a live session on body slimming. So we'll be using RF machines. We'll be discussing the details of it. We'll be using RF machines. We'll be having the demonstration. Along with that, we'll be telling you how it can be incorporated with Ayurvedic treatment. So we'll be discussing in detail how to incorporate a package of Virechana, post Virechana, how to incorporate this RF slimming along with the Udvartana or Ruksha Churna Pinda Sweta, so that you get better results. So this is also something which is very much in demand, because people always want to lose weight without effort. They don't want, someone massages them, you give them a pill to pop. If they can lose weight in that way, they'll be all the more happy. So this is also one part of body sculpting, which is actually quite effective. We'll be introducing the other body sculpting techniques also, like cryolipolysis and everything, which are non-invasive and which can be practiced, but we'll take it with the things which are a bit slow, with a little bit, it requires investment. It is not that it is with little investment, it requires. But with the little bit of investment that you are putting, you will have wonderful results when you are clubbing it with our own Ayurvedic practices. So we'll have a comprehensive knowledge on all these things, and looking forward to see almost all who have joined in this session for the advanced course on cosmetology, trichology, and obviously with Vinay sir helping you out with the rules for marketing, the rules for getting a license and all. You can come up with being a fully fledged cosmetologist, trichologist, and an aesthetician once you're completing the course. Hoping to see all of you in the course. And thank you, Team Pratiknya, for this wonderful effort you have taken and this opportunity for including me in the team. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Amalajyoti. Thank you. I just want to tell, there were a few questions about the sessions in our chat. And we just want to tell you that, this is going to be completely different. It is going to be what the previous course was. This will be entirely different products, of a range of products that will be handling in this session. We wanted to make sure of that. And yes, as Dr. Amalajyoti said, it is important for us to, have the knowledge of all the rules and regulations, and who else, who better to talk to us on that subject than Dr. Vinayak. Again, I just want to point out that, in the chat, we are having Dr. Rahul posting links to WhatsApp groups where we'll be posting all the brochures and all the details about the course. So if you are interested, you can join that WhatsApp group and We'll be posting all the details there, and please do share them with your friends and colleagues who will be interested in cosmetology and this topic. And I'm very sure they'll be able to, use this in their clinical practice for their future. Now, again, I just want to tell one more thing that, there are recordings available of the previous course if you are interested for that also. So having said that, now let me call upon Dr. Vinayak. So before I hand it over to him again, I just want to introduce Dr. Vinayak Navanale to you. And Dr. Vinayak, the proprietor of Jyoti Biotech, Pune, did his UG from Shivaji University, Kolhapur, and MD in Roganidana from Tilak Ayurveda College, Pune. He has started his career as QC consultant with a spectrophotometer in pharma, followed by developing own lab for clinical pathology and analytical solution firm for different biotech firms in Pune. Acquaintance with cosmetology QC lab since 2012, worked with international labs for stability formulation in cosmetic industry, started independent firm Jyoti Biotech in 2017. So let me call upon Dr. Vinayak to introduce his topic. Over to you, sir. Over to you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hello, Team Pratijna. Very nice of you. And I must congratulate first, apart from introduction, let's congratulate Pratijna team for successfully organizing the second and advanced course. It's a really great achievement. You guys are dedicated and management is excellent. So having said that, let's move towards my role where I'm better at it. I'm specialist at it. That is FDA jobs. See, everybody wants to be a brand or something in cosmetic field, as Jyoti ma'am, Amla ma'am, and Madhu ma'am said that cosmetology is ever happening field. Every day new and new technology is coming. In that technology segment, I'll be talking on the peptide cosmetic. That is the most advanced kind of peptide cosmetic and how it is inspired from natural cosmetic. They mimic the biomimic the natural cosmetic. I'll be talking on that. But my specialty is regarding third-party license, loan license, FDA rules and regulation stability. Stability is important, friends. You have done the basic, now you are moving towards advanced. In the advanced, you are going to become a brand. When you are going to become a brand, your label claim must be scientific and legal. Both. It should be scientific, it shall be legal. If it has to be scientific and legal, it has to be proved in the lab. You need a lab certificate. So there are dedicated FDA designated laboratories. For example, in a simplified term, even if I am a manufacturer, I do have my own QC lab. I am not allowed to sell that product directly in the market without permission of FDA cosmetic labs. Having said that, let me simplify you. If I produce a shampoo for you, such as your brand, say, let's say Pratijna is a cosmetic company and I'm working third-party contractor for Pratijna Cosmetic, and I make a shampoo for the Pratijna. Now I have to take that shampoo to FDA designated QC lab and get it certified there. It is safe to use. And then it comes to the Pratijna for next selling. So this is normally what happens. I will be explaining all this in our advanced lecture. Also, we will be focusing on the stability issue. Stability issue is critical. Even though Indian FDA, there are different, Karnataka FDA is little bit different than the Maharashtra FDA, then Gujarat FDA is little bit different than Maharashtra, Himachal FDA is different, but basic modus operandi is same all over. We'll be understanding that, we'll be understanding role of preservative, legality of preservative, legality of label claims. See, have you seen any advertising recently that you will become fair in 8 days or you will become fair in 30 days? No. These kind of magical claims are banned now. You cannot make any magical claim in Ayurvedic cosmetic. And having said that, let me come to the most important point of the Ayurvedic cosmetic. It is the most recent phenomena in postmodern world. Ayurveda and cosmetic has come together and given rise to this new branch. If we remain scientific and legal, world is short enough to conquer. We have massive opportunity in front of us. But if we sow a proper seed of honesty, proper seed of quality, proper seed of scientificness in our Ayurvedic cosmetic, we as an India brand, we as an Indian Ayurveda brand can go worldwide. And for doing so, we need international quality certified raw material. We'll be understanding what is quality certification. What is the difference between herbal cosmetic? What is the difference between organic cosmetic? You have made a claim, specific claim. We'll be understanding different types of claims and certification in raw material, in finished product, post-finished product, testing, etc., etc. We'll be understanding laboratory cosmetic, clinical cosmetic, and other label claims. I'm looking very gladly towards Pratijna Group that has given such a good opportunity. Maybe just like Kerala Siddha Parampara has gone worldwide, in similar manner, Indian Ayurvedic cosmetic will go world over, but with the help of quality control and with the help of scientificness and with the help of legal claims and or legality. We'll be enjoying a lot regarding this modern, postmodern cosmetic and also other fields related to it, how we can incorporate new technology towards Ayurveda, towards betterment of Ayurvedic cosmetic and the people, so that people should, we should reconfirm their trust in Ayurvedic cosmetology. Over to you, Pratijna Group. Very nice of you and very glad about you, very proud of you. You have very nice achievements.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. It's coming from you. It is indeed, I'm grateful, sir. Thank you for that. Sir, right now we'll just move up, move on with the presentation, what the teachers are going to take. We will be posting everything in detail in the WhatsApp group that for the link, that link is posted in the chat. By Dr. Rahul. Please click on the link and you can join the WhatsApp group. We'll be posting each and every detail in that group so that you'll get to know before you join. You will get to know what are you getting into. And we are very proud to bring these teachers together so that this course together, because we are working very hard to find the best teachers in the business so that they'll be able to help you in the future also. And again, this is one thing that we started actually, WhatsApp group for this purpose alone. And we'll be having teachers in the group, and you will be able to ask questions in the group, and these teachers will be helping you in the future also. As long as possible, we'll be keeping that WhatsApp group so that whenever you have a doubt, whenever you start making the product or you are getting into the industry, you will definitely have products. You will be having doubts afterwards, and you will be able to ask questions to these teachers, and they'll be helping you, holding your hand in a way, and helping you to achieve your goals. Now, this is our website, www.pradiknya.com. You can reach us at pradiknya@gmail.com. So if you are interested to know more, or if you, have any doubts, you can, reach us in this email address. These are the faculties, as I told you before. And we got an introduction from them also. Again, I just want to tell you, please do send the details of our program to your friends and colleagues, and help us reach more people. And it'll be, yeah. So once again. Yeah, so these are the topics that we're covering, just to give you a basic idea about what we are going to cover. Basic aromatherapy one, basics, origin, and all the details about the basics of aromatherapy will be covered. Again, the second part of the basics. Then bath bombs, facial bombs, and everything will be taken in the third day. The fourth will be cleansing lotions, sanitizers, etc. The fifth, again, we will be posting everything in the WhatsApp group. Brazilian purple face pack, chocolate face pack, etc. Day 6 will be detox skin tonics, etc. So ideally, just giving an idea about what things are. Even I have no idea about all the things that are said here. Yeah, this is also important. Dr. Vinayak will be, teaching you the quality control, how to make sure that your every product that you make, every time you make it, have the same quality and the same, consistency. So that is important. One time you make a golden goose, it does not mean that every time you'll get it. So you have to have that standard operating protocols, and everything procedures should be correct. And he'll make sure that everything about that. Again, I just want to thank everyone for the positive feedbacks the participants have given us. Thanks to all of you. We are growing, and we are growing confident with your help. Yeah, for concerns and suggestions, yeah, we can take a few questions. If you are, if anyone is having any doubts, please do post in the chat, and we'll take few questions and we can answer them. So that it will be very clear. Also, if you have come late to this introductory session, do not worry. We will be posting this in the YouTube, and we'll be sharing the link so that you can watch from the starting itself. And I know that we know that you are busy in the evening, so we'll be posting in the YouTube, and you'll be able to see. Of course, please do share that also with your friends and to see if they are interested in these topics. Okay. So if you have any questions, please do ask in the chat. We'll just wait for 5 minutes. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Also, Dr. Rahul is posting the links to chat, WhatsApp chat in the group. You can join that and join the WhatsApp group where we'll be posting all the details about the course later on. Yeah, I hope there's no, I think, the course is beginning on the, Dr. Rahul, can you please help?
From 14th onwards.
From 14th onwards, the course is starting.
Total 14-day class up to 27.
Yeah. So all the details again will be posted in the chat, and you can get all the details from there. Yeah, diploma course for 3 to 6 months, that we can tell you later. You can message us directly afterwards. Duration of the recording will be for 3 months. That is our standard, and we'll be giving it for 3 months. Yeah, previous lectures of cosmetology, you can contact either Dr. Rahul or Dr. Anjana Unnikrishnan, whose number is given in the slides, and you will be able to through them they'll be helping you to get the recordings of that. Yeah, any preparation related to cosmetology need not. This is entirely going to be a fresh course. Like the previous ones we had, we have ended that. That's a complete course. Now, whatever we are going to start now, it is going to be something unique. From starting itself will be there. So as you know, as I told you, I just showed you before, the basics. From basics itself, we'll be covering everything. So it will be like an entirely new range of products that we having. And this is also important because, as far as I know about aromatherapy, you need to have your own, identity in the field, right, in the market. And in order to achieve that, you need to know aroma, and this will help you to, get your signature out there. No, this is going to be practical sessions. If you can, we will be posting, some of the videos, some of the bits and trailers of videos that we had before, so that you will get to know how this is going to be. We will be having the teachers, I know them, that they are very professional, and they handle all the practical sessions will be done in front of you in the camera, and you'll be able to get to know everything. So we'll be posting a small trailer in the WhatsApp group that Dr. Rahul is posting. You can click there and join that WhatsApp group, and we'll post that so that you will get to know how we are going to conduct the class. Dr. Rahul will please make a note of that and post that video. Okay. Yes. Anyone. This is a cosmetology course, and it need not be BMS alone. We can have other people also, but we think that BMS doctors will be able to, understand this a little bit more than others. That is all. Okay. Yes, SOP space back. Yes, practical sessions will also be available. Raw materials also we'll be trying to make available for this. I hope that is it. So let us conclude our session. Thank you all for joining. So I just want to leave all of you with a small quote. Knowledge becomes power only when you put it into use. So this is our ultimate aim, that you use what you learn here. This is our ultimate aim, that we give you something that you can build your career upon. So that is our ultimate aim. So thank you all for joining. This is Dr. Anjana Unnikrishnan. She's the managing partner of Pradignya. Dr. Rahul J is another partner, and myself, Dr. Shyam Mohan. So keep learning, keep going. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Thank you all. Thank you. Bye. Good night.